In this video, I will show you how to use ManyChat on Facebook. So let's just begin. So first of all, what we need to do is, what you need to do is head over to settings directly, and from here you can see we have this channels section. So this is from where we can connect or integrate all of our social media, SMS, and email services. So let's just say you want to connect your Facebook page. You're going to be doing it, let's just say you connect Instagram, and it automatically is going to be asking for your Facebook page. So once you do it, you will get an idea. You can also connect Messenger. It will be asking you about your Facebook page as well. So this is the key, because a lot of people cannot find the page option directly from here, and they're confused that where do we actually find it. So it is actually in Instagram, because it connects your page automatically. And yeah, so I hope this helps. Make sure to head over to the link in the description below to get 1 month completely for free on ManyChat. I hope that helps. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.